Take my life and let it be my soul devoted, Lord, to Thee. Take my moments and all my days, make them endless praise. Take my heart and let it move in spirit and in truth, for the glory of Your name. With every breath that's in me, with every song and melody, let it be a hallelujah. In every breaking moment, in every blessing that You give, let it be a hallelujah. Oh Lord, let it be a hallelujah. All my hopes and all my fears, every trial, every tear, in the chaos You remain faithful all the way, through the victories, through the scars. Let me echo who You are, for the glory of Your name. With every breath that's in me, with every song and melody, let it be a hallelujah. In every breaking moment, in every blessing that You give, let it be a hallelujah. Oh Lord, let it be a hallelujah. Oh, let it be a hallelujah. All my life a hallelujah. Let it be a hallelujah to You, God. Oh, let it be a hallelujah. Nothing but a hallelujah. Let it be a hallelujah to You, God. With every breath that's in me, with every song and melody, and let it be, oh, let it be, oh, oh. In every breaking moment,